Hi, so if you are someone who really wants to explore investing, risk tolerance is one thing that you really need to consider. So ano nga ba talaga your risk tolerance? So let's say, meron tatlo kayong magkakaibigan, pumunta kayo sa amusement park and then may roller coaster. So kaibigan 1, let's say si Jenny ayaw niya sa roller coaster. Gusto niya dun lang sa mga carousel, yung chill-chill lang na rides. And then si kaibigan 2, si Lisa, let's say, si Lisa gusto niya, okay lang sa kanya sumakay sa roller coaster, but gusto niya muna sumakay dun sa mga less extreme na rides. And then, third friend, si Rosé, gusto niya yung extreme agad. Gusto niya agad sumakay sa roller coaster. So, those three different friends, si Lisa, si Jenny, and Rosé, those are your risk tolerance. Those are the classes of risk tolerance. So, si Jenny, yung ayaw sumakay sa roller coaster. Yeah, so si Jenny yung ayaw sumakay sa roller coaster. Siya yung may low risk tolerance. Si Lisa, na okay lang sumakay sa roller coaster. Though, hindi niya gusto sumakay agad doon is medium yung risk tolerance niya. Tapos si Rosé, yung risk tolerance niya is nasa higher end. So basically, when we talk about risk tolerance, it's the amount of risk that you are ready to take. So let's say yung market biglang babagsak. If magpapanik ka, if you're the type of person na magpapanik talagang hindi ka makakain, then you are the Jenny of the group. You are on the lower end of the group. So, yung investment na i-consider mo, yung mga nasa risk tolerance, lower risk tolerance level lang, such as savings account. But, if, let's say, the market would go down, then okay lang, kaya mo yung sikmurain, go down, up ng market, kaya mo sikmurain, then you are on the higher end of the risk tolerance, nasa medium and higher level ka. So, sample investments, depending on your risk tolerance, is for the lower end, so yung mga Jenny natin, you go to savings account or time deposits. While for those na nasa medium, mga Lisa natin, you go to, let's say, mutual funds, corporate bonds. While for the higher risk, mga Rosie natin, so you can go to, let's say, stocks, and crypto, even crypto, you can explore it. However, please, only invest on things that you understand, because don't just go invest directly because of a promise of a great return. Kaya marami tayong nasa-scam kasi ang dali nating ma-attract sa mga high returns na mga investment opportunities. So yun lang. Thank you.